Good evening everybody. Hi. And today I'm going to show you all how to make jawar ki bhakri. Okay? See here. This is the bhakri and we are going to make a perfect, lovely, crispy bhakri. That is out of jawar ka atta. That is sorghum atta. Okay? And with this bhakri I'm going to serve you all with thecha and with little butter on it, loni, and with little salt on it, and बैंगन का भरता, that is वांग्याचं भरीत. That is a very tasty dish with the bhakri. Take one bowl of atta and see how many bhakris you want to make. You want to make 1, 2, so I'll make 2 bhakris. So I have a measurement of my hand, like one handful. This is 1 and this is 1. So 2 handfuls of atta, and this is the bhakri atta. And add water according to the consistency. And knead it properly. It should be nice and smooth atta. See, as much as you massage it properly, then the bhakri turns out to be much better. Soft and crispy bhakri, yes. See, if it's little sticky, little bit of atta. And massage it again. Knead it properly. Yes, make a nice round ball out of it and just divide it into 2 parts, yeah? Because we are making 2 bhakris. See, like this way. And roll it nicely on your palm. And see, the bhakri atta or the dough has to be nice and soft, like this way. Your fingers should just press inside. I'm just showing you how it should be. It should not be very flowy or very sticky. Okay? So we'll make the bhakri now. Just see how to make the bhakri with your hands. Till I make the bhakri, I'm keeping the bengan, that is the brinjals, for roasting on the wood fire. Yes, and because it tastes very nice. See, you can try this on the gas also, on the stove. Just put it on the stove, okay, and let it burn for a few minutes, because that burnt smell or the burnt taste, it's really tasty and it gets cooked inside. So at least 5 minutes it takes for that. Yeah, sprinkle some atta so that the dough does not stick to the wooden plate, and keep the dough, and then start just very slowly with your palm, this part and this finger part, just tap it properly like this way and move it towards your right side like this way. And see, put your second hand, the left hand for one side so that the shape does not change. Otherwise you will have a lovely different shapes. Yes, and we want a round shape. So keep on tapping like this way and automatically it becomes big and big. See, yes, it makes a lovely sound also. See, after tapping the bhakri, the downside should go on top on the tawa, okay? See, it should come on top like this way. So it's a little tacked. Just pick it up like this way and put it on top. Then immediately after putting on the tawa, just sprinkle little water and paste it properly, meaning spread it properly. So like a paste it looks. Don't let the atta be seen anywhere. So after the bhakri can come out, just turn it, yes, like this way, and wait for a few seconds. With the bhakri, garam bhakri, we are going to have thecha. I've made the thecha with the mirchi, the lasan, and little shingdana, that is the peanuts. After the bhakri is done from behind, you should see if it is not kacha anywhere, and then turn it on your ultana, that is the spatula. And see, this is the gas stove, okay? And so just keep it on the gas stove and let it roast properly. See, after placing your bhakri on near the chula, that is the tawa and this thing where the coal is outside, then see your bhakri starts blowing like a balloon and it becomes crispy. I'll show you how. Yes, you can feel, you can hear the sound. Aha, lovely crispy sound I can hear. This don't worry, this is not burnt. This is a tasty, crispy, kurkurit pana. आपण जे म्हणतो भाकरी छान खमंग आणि कुरकुरीत झाली अशी. See, you can hear the sound. Oh, see, this is the crispiness. This is the bhakri should have like this way 2 layers. It should come out to be. Oh. Yeah, this is great hot steam in it. Don't try this at home, otherwise you'll get burnt with the steam. And see, this is the bhakri which should be like this way. Oh, lovely. Yes, you break the bhakri. Yeah, I showed you how it should have the 2 layers. And see, what we like when my children were small, what we used to do, even our mothers used to do the same thing. They used to open the bhakri out like this way and add little ghee to it. See, it started melting. So you just add the ghee and add little pink salt. Yes. And what I'm going to do now, if see, when the children were small, what we used to do, yeah, press it so that the ghee goes inside and the salt goes inside, and make a lovely samosa, or else just make a little roll, Frankie, katti roll. See, remove the bangans, they're all done and roasted. So take out the bangan from the coal and dust it, because see, there's no ashes on it. The one which is very burnt, just remove all that black thing. See the bangan inside, it's so lovely and white and tender, juicy. Though being in the fire for such a long time. Take out the black thing out. Some people like this also, the stem, so you can have the stem, or I'll just remove the pulpy part of the bangan. Oh, it's nice and hotty. Yeah. So with this only I'm going to mix it. See, this is the use of it. You can add, if you want to shortcut, you can add the tesa to it, or else just add little red chili powder and pink Himalayan salt. Sprinkle as much as you want according to your taste, and little oil, shingdana tel, that is the groundnut oil. Yes, a lot of amount, because the kacha ghani ka kacha tel is very tasty, and you don't have to use a spoon to mix it. See, just mix it with the stem. My mouth is watering. And serve it. Oil, of course, you need, because it tastes lovely. Yeah. And I don't like the stem, so I'll keep it aside. Otherwise, some do have the stem. Oh, lovely, crispy bhakri. Kadak, chan. Come everyone. Come and have the bhakri. Go. Bhakri खायची? तुला भाकरी देऊ? हे घे, go. खा तू. खा, भाकरी नाही आवडत? खा भाकरी. He's having. Good. No ghee today for you. Yes. Have your bhakri with the bharit. वांग्याचं भरीत आणि भाकरी आणि ठेसा. वा. आणि त्याच्यासोबत ताक किंवा दही पाहिजे. घ्या सगळ्यांना, खा. Come on, have everyone. चलो, for you all I'll have. Lovely. Spicy आणि छान आहे.